Yun, sa pangka-event, eto na naman tayo, may event na naman tayo ngayon dito sa Marikina, sa lagi nating pwesto or lagi nating venue. So nandito tayo ulit sa may El Sueño Marikina, El Sueño Events Place and Resort. So lagi tayong nandito dito. Ayan, so meron tayong wedding ngayon dito. Very basic lang naman. Unlike nung nakaraan natin na may mga moving heads. So this is only basic sounds and lights lang talaga, literally with mood lights lang. Ayan, so no projector, just microphone lang and ilaw lang talaga. Syempre background music. So ito yung setup natin. Actually nagawa ko na or na-setup na namin. So ito yung ilaw natin. Pinoprogram na ni Edward. Ayan. So itataas na lang to. So ayan. So sineta po na namin kasi medyo mainit, no? Mahirap pagsabayin tong pagbibideo natin and pagsa-setup habang mainit. So sinisigurado lang namin or ni-make sure lang namin na everything is set na para mapag-video na ako ng mga footage natin. So ayan. So nagpo-program na si Edward, nagtitimpla na siya ng ilaw, and then after that itataas na lang yan. Though kagaya nung nangyari nung nakaraan, even though na hindi yung DMX 240, yung DMX Mini Pearl yung dala namin, yung DMX 240 yung dala namin ngayon dito. May mga initial banks na rin yan or may initial program na rin yan ng ilaw. Alright guys, so ito yung mga natin ngayon, yung mga gamit natin dito sa booth. So meron tayong DMX 240, meron tayong wireless mic dito na Pro Stock, laptop natin for playback, and then mixer natin. So sabi ko nga kanina, basic lang naman tong setup natin. So ayan, so nilalagay lang yung ibang uplight doon. Naitaas na rin namin yung ilaw, na-program na rin at na-focus na rin yan. So mag-soundcheck na lang ako ng mic. So audio natin tumutunog na, walang problema, na testing ko na. So magsa-soundcheck na lang ako ng mic.
Check, hey, check, 2 1, 2, check, hey, sound check. Mic 1, just check, hey, 2 check, 2 sound check, hey, check. Check, hey, 2 check, check, hey. Relax. Check, 2, hey, sound check, hey, test, check, hey, check, 1, 2, check, hey, check. Check, 1, 2, check, check, 1, 2, mic check, hey, 2, sound check, hey, good.
Alright guys, so natapos ko nang i-soundcheck yung mic natin. Nakita nyo naman, no processor. Kaya nasabi ko, ito lang yung dala natin, DMX 240. Dito sa kaliwa ko, wireless mic, laptop, and yung ating mic mixer lang. And wala namang feedback, so tamang gain lang, gain structure or gain before feedback lang tayo. And then tamang equalization, tone control, okay na okay naman. So nakita nyo naman, lumapit tayo dito sa mga speakers natin. Sa kaliwa at sa kanan, lumapit tayo. Wala naman nag-feedback. So siguro naman sa ganong distance, kung sakaling pupunta doon yung mga host or mga MCs natin, no? So safe na safe naman. So wala naman sigurong aakyat doon sa may mga aircon natin. Pero so far, wala namang gumagawa ng ganon. So far, wala namang lumalapit ng ganong kalapit. Pero if in case lang na may lumapit, okay na okay, safe na safe, walang feedback. So good na ang audio natin, kumpleto na ang mic natin, ang music natin, wala nang problema. So all set na kami dito, pwede na tayong magpahinga-pahinga ngayon, and then BS na lang mamaya. Konting ayos na lang para hindi na nakakaya sa client natin. So yun, so later ulit, balik ako. So yung narinig nyo palang feedback sa video okay yan sa labas. May nag-video okay kasi sa labas, dito sa resort. Ayan. So may nagre-rent kasi ng resort pero patapos na sila. So yung marinig ng feedback dyan yun, hindi dito sa may side namin. Alright, so ayan, naglalaro na lang or nagdadagdag na lang ng ilaw muna si Edward dito if in case na kailanganin, no? So wala namang problema, pwede naman natin kasing isave yung mga yan. Pwedeng gamitin yan. So at least ready rin. So para pindot na lang tayo ng pindot. So ayun, so later ulit guys, balik ako. Alright guys, so ito na, malapit na mag-start yung event natin, yung program natin. Dumating na yung mga bisita, yung mga abay, yung host. And by the way, this is a different kind of a wedding event, no? Parang anniversary lang to, kinasal na sila sa US, and then parang dinner lang, and then konting program lang. Hindi ito yung typical na may mga program tayo like yung mga garter, bouquet toasting. So konting-konti lang, more on dinner lang talaga at nilagyan lang ng konting program. And this is on the spot, hindi ko rin alam. Maraming nagulat like yung mga photo and video, ganun lang pala. So yun, sige, balik ako later pag malapit na mag-start para mabigyan ko pa kayo ng ibang kuha dito.
As we grace and celebrate the grand entrance, of course, watching. So you are invited on this very momentous event. An applause to Marcus and Kate.
Alright guys, so tapos na yung first part ng program. Napakikilang, konting games, konting acknowledgement, and photo ops. Then right now, ito na yung inaantay ng lahat. So dinner time na. So ayan yung couple natin. And according to the host or MCs, actually parang yun lang yung ano yung binigay sa first part, yun lang yung pinaka-program. So I guess background music na lang lahat to, and konting games na lang to para medyo buhay yung crowd natin. Ayun, so sige, balik ulit ako. Alright guys, so after ng dinner nila dito, after ng food, actually wala nang masyadong program like yung traditional program. So meron na lang ngayong icebreaker, meron na lang games yung host natin ngayon dito. And then after this, konting mga messages na lang ng mga relatives and friends nitong couple natin. And then done na tong event natin. Actually mahaba yung idle time namin kanina dito. Ayan, so ngayon games lang to. Like what I mentioned, icebreaker lang to para medyo mabuhay yung mga guests natin.
Today, as we gather to celebrate the union of two souls, I want to take a moment to raise a glass of wine. Incredible elder sister Ate Kate and to Mark. Marcus, thank you for loving my sister. Hindi ko na mabasa.
So I prepared this long time ago, just for a week, one day. And thanks for ChatGPT for making this. So again, good evening everyone. For those who doesn't know me, again, my name is Monik. My family often call me Bunso. And again, judging by the looks of familiar faces in the crowd, I can see like some friends of Ate Kate over there. I can practically like read their mind.
Elaine, myself, and Anna, to our Biarcada board, to our Bishopers, and to high school and college groups that keep in touch together. I'm just really glad to see you happy now. And we know the saying that love is kind and love is patient, but I want you to know that love also thrives. And I see you thriving. Love is also courageous, and I see the courage in you. And love is resilient. Both of you are very resilient. So I hope that you really enjoy your time together with the kids, and you stay happy. I love you.
Here with us right now. I would like to thank everyone for sharing this post-wedding celebration with us. We are very grateful with your presence and your warm wishes, and we look forward to our future together and making more memories with you all. Hopefully we get to come home and visit as often. Those circumstances changes with our visit here. It's really bittersweet that we are able to attend nice instrument coming here to be able to provide the presence, comfort, and support for the whole.
Alright guys, ito po sa event natin. Maagang natapos actually kasi dapat mga hanggang 10 to. So dahil nga wala naman talagang program, and this is an intimate wedding celebration lang naman in anniversary, so mabilis natapos. And so picture na lang ngayon. And then yung iba actually nag-uwi na. So once again, salamat sa pagsama sa video na to. This is Intermix Fidelity Sounds and Lights. Please like and subscribe. Pakishare rin yung mga videos natin. Thank you!